Hi guys, today I'm going to show a miracle smoothie to lose a stubborn body fat in few days. The smoothie will work overnight to burn fat and help you lose up to 10 kilos in 2 weeks depending on your diet and body type. Yes, it's that effective. So let's get started and I will also be sharing the benefits during this process. The ingredients needed to make this powerful weight loss drink are half Granny Smith apple, that is half green apple, half a cucumber, few celery sticks, half avocado, half kiwi, juice of 1 lime, and some aloe vera gel. The very first step is to take a piece of aloe vera stick and keep it in the water for 10 to 15 minutes or until its dark yellow resin drains out. Then peel its green colored outer skin and keep the inner white gel content in the water. The second step is to take a blender and put all the ingredients in it. And I'm going to start with half a cucumber. Wash the outer skin properly as we do not have to peel its green skin. Owing to its low calorie and high water content, cucumber is perfect for those wanting to lose excess pounds. The high water content and dietary fibers eliminate toxins from the system, aiding in digestion and keeping the body hydrated. Next, add half kiwi. Kiwi contains plenty of fiber which keeps you full and suppress your appetite. It is also rich in vitamin C. Now I'm going to use a half Granny Smith apple. Now you may be wondering why only Granny Smith and not any other variant. Well, this variety of apple is less sweet and lower in calories compared to the other varieties. They have a tart taste that mixes really well with green juices. They have high content of certain metabolite phytonutrients that make them a good weight loss food. Now let me introduce celery. I have taken 2 sticks, cut them in small pieces so that they get blended well. Celery juice is very low in calories and has a high dietary fiber content. The juice is high in vitamin K and helps curb cravings for sweet. It is incredibly alkalizing and equalizes the body's pH. Now add the colorless gel part of aloe vera which was kept in the water. Aloe vera contains natural antioxidants that slow the growth of free radicals in the body. It increases your metabolism and reduces body mass index by helping your body turn carbohydrates and fats into energy rather than storing them. Aloe vera is packed with vitamin A, B1, B2, B6, B12, C, E, folic acid and niacin, all of which help to burn calories and reduce body fat. Our last ingredient is avocado. Cut it into half and scoop out the flesh and add to the blender. By the way, if you are wondering what to do with the seed of the avocado, just wait till the end of the video. Avocados with their rich and buttery taste, healthy monounsaturated fats, high fiber content, good levels of protein and low carbohydrates increases repletion. Avocados are high in fiber and very low in carbs, 2 attributes that help promote weight loss. By the way, I have a second channel named Wikipedia where you can find this recipe in Hindi. So do visit and subscribe. Just check how beautiful the ingredients look. Now add approximately 100 ml of water to blend all together into a smoothie and run the blender. Once the smoothie is made, it's time to add juice of 1 lime. Lime juice is rich in citric acid and acts like a healthy and natural digestive aid into your tummy. The high acidic content in the lime juice helps reduce the absorption of sugar from the food you eat. After adding the lime juice, stir well and our smoothie is ready. Just check out the smoothie. It looks cool. This green colored drink is simply mesmerizing and tastes heavenly. It has a light, sour taste and gives a feeling of freshness and is nutritious and filling at the same time. Do you know that this is an avocado plant and you can grow it in your kitchen with the avocado seed you're left with? So do try. Also, you can apply the smoothie on your face soon after blending, that is before adding lemon juice. All the tiredness or dullness from your face will be vanished. It's so effective in keeping you beautiful in and out. Have this smoothie twice a day for 15 days. First, early morning on an empty stomach, that is before breakfast, and second, before bedtime instead of your dinner. Yes, substitute your last meal of the day with this smoothie. And you would certainly see a reduction in your waistline and feel light and younger due to considerable weight loss. The results may totally vary depending on your daily diet, that is, what you eat for the rest of the day. So, avoid oily or fatty foods, white flour, sugar, aerated drinks, etc., and indulge in some mild exercise like 15 minutes fast walk or cardio. Also, avoid having this drink if you're allergic to any of these ingredients like avocado, aloe vera, etc. You can have this drink for as long as you want. So, enjoy this miracle drink, and I will see you soon with a new video. Till then, drink healthy,